It's a chance to really make a difference, and you can see your efforts being put forward to actually make a difference. That's what's really rewarding. And that's why I enjoy waking up every day and being able to do something that's progressive.
A consumer product tends to be something that is used in the home or by an individual.
I think RPD stands out just because it's able to go all the way from initial concepts, just an idea, all the way through to mass manufacture.
When a client comes to us at RPD, we can help them fill in the blanks of their product development that they may not know they have. So a lot of the time we work with people who haven't done this before, which is really exciting because they bring experience from other fields that we don't have. But the thing we do have is experience in taking something to mass manufacture.
Because there is a completely different approach when you're manufacturing 500 versus 500,000 products.
From the client's perspective, that just means that they've got one entity that they can work with and trust that everything is going to be worked continuously all the way through. You don't have to do handovers and misinformation.
The RPD team is both very professional and delivers a great amount of quality, but also within reasonable timing. And I think that was one of the reasons why we actually chose them. But also their flexibility in work and the way that they do projects is pretty agile, which is one of the strong sides of the way they work.
I think engineers have a natural curiosity, and I think they'll gravitate to what they specialise in, what really makes them tick.
I sometimes can't help myself, and someone asks a question, something needs some help sorting out. I just really like getting to the bottom of things and finding a solution.
One of my favourite projects that I've worked on at RPD is Soundbops. So Soundbops is a musical instrument toy which allows kids to learn music and notes through a really fun platform. I've had so much fun playing with Soundbops throughout the development project. I put bops on and play Bryan Adams or Wonderwall.
Okay.
Maybe don't tell the client that. No, he knows all about that, so that's fine.
You can see the passion come across the engineers when they're working on projects that's really close to their heart.
The challenge with working on the Verti is that it's a new product and it's trying to compete with other companies that have been doing this for a long time. So we're trying to be more innovative and make a great product while keeping the costs to a level where they can still be competitive.
We are engineers through and through, so when something comes in that we can visualise or we can't visualise, even better, it sparks a lot of conversations in the office about, oh, how are they going to do that? Or, oh, that's really similar to that. Or, have you heard of this new technology that's coming out? And a lot of the time, no, and then we tell each other what's coming out. So it just creates a positive and interesting atmosphere.
It's a joy to project manage engineers when they're in that state. They're willing to put the extra effort, the extra time to get the project done to the highest quality.
Some of our biggest projects have been as diverse as building luxury sex toys to working with people who are trying to solve the infertility problem. This essentially means translating the existing designs and prototypes into something that can be easily understood by factory workers, by people working on an assembly line. Design for manufacture allows for costs to be reduced, it allows for certification to be passed, and it prevents mistakes being made later on in the process that can be costly.
I think RPD are changing the world with the products that they design because everything's completely novel, absolutely crazy, wacky ideas, and to see these things come to fruition is really exciting and rewarding for me as an individual as well.